we're giving a ball away. So make sure you stay to the end of the video to find out how you can win a High Road Max. Let's go. Editor says let's go, so let's go. All right, today we're gonna be today we're gonna be comparing a pin up and a pin down High Road Max. So I got the pin down High Road here, based on what I know about pin down versus pin up, which a lot of people are like, this guy doesn't know what he's talking about. Pin down balls are smoother, pin up balls shape more. Just think of it that way, don't think about length. So we're gonna start pretty far right. But it all works out! Signature D-Tank, hands in the air. Can we end the video on that? That was pretty good. What, a dance move? Were you seduced? No. Okay, I'll work on it. Oh, you know what? We're gonna do things a little bit different. We're just gonna keep going back and forth in the same parts of the lane. You know, it's not different. I think we've done that in a previous video, but I'm gonna show you guys why pin down balls don't hook earlier, pin up. If it looked like it was further left, it's because it got offline earlier. So that just proves pin-up balls hook earlier than pin-down balls. They actually do though, I'm not trolling.
Is that your impression of me?
Yes. So as we start moving left, the pin-up one's gonna start looking better and better. And hopefully the pin-down one still looks okay as well. But I definitely see the pin-up one outshining the pin-down one, and I'm sure a lot of you already know that. Not for the reason why it actually does. There's a lot of misinformation out there, and I really don't like it because it makes it easier to understand, but it's incorrect information. That's why bowling's so messed up. All right, we're moving a zone to the left. And it's still sliding! Through the nose, just like my fill shot on the TV show to lose to Chris Kelso. That guy bowled good. Shout out to Chris. Nice game. Am I salty about it? Yes. But I'm salty about it because I bowled a bad game. Execution-wise, wasn't my best. Anyways, all right, back to the pinup. So those were only like 10 boards different down lane. But if you're gonna miss in the right spots, and that's exactly what I did because I'm a professional bowler, we always know where to miss. That's a complete lie. Sometimes we get lucky, sometimes we don't. Another zone to the left, back to the pin down. We're gonna wrap our hand around it. We're gonna wrap our hand around it a little more. Oh, maybe a little too much? Oh! So this cover's pretty strong. It's a step up from Nano called NEX. Unlike the Insight video above, the cover is not as responsive to hand position changes. Like that one, probably a little too slow, and I wrapped my hand around it just a bit too much, but it still held line because the cover's so strong, it's bleeding energy as it gets down the lane, and it's not gonna be as violent once it comes off the back of the paddle. Layout might change that a little bit. Probably won't get around it as much as the pin-up one, but we'll give it a look and see. Yo, I don't remember where I was standing. So I didn't quite get my hand around that one as much. You really see the ball wanting to pick up early, fighting hard to get down the lane. So if you're having trouble with getting this ball through the front part of the lane, take it to your pro shop, tighten it up a little bit. I'm actually gonna do the same with one of these and then see if it gives me a little more consistent ball reaction because my ball speed's on the lower side. So these stronger cover stocks wanna pick up even earlier for me. Taking the covers up a little bit, making them a little shinier, definitely helps me. The lane's broken. What do we do? He's out. I broke the lane. Didn't mean to wake you up from your nap. Should we go check it out? We're getting a little behind the scenes look here at High Life Lanes. What are we missing? I don't know. What do we got, Brad? Magical. And that's how it's done. I don't know what happened, but. It's the magic man. He said he didn't have to do anything.
I turned the machine back on and hit the reset button.
We're gonna do this new thing where if you comment down below, we're gonna pick your name. And I'm gonna say whoever's name, throw this shot, and that one's for you. How do I say that name? All right, my name's the TNT. I don't even remember what the name is.
Chick Axe.
My name's the TNT Chick Axe. Tom Doherty shot 100 on TV. This is the nut. That's for you, TNT Chick Axe. If this video hits 1,000 likes, we're gonna give this ball away. Here's what you gotta do though. You gotta comment on my most recent High Road Max post on Instagram. Click the link below, easy to find. That's all you gotta do. We'll pick one lucky person on the Instagram post to win this ball. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.